Hey guys, welcome back to ASAP. In today's video, we are going to see the confidential email feature available in Gmail. It is also known as confidential mode. So let's say you want to send a confidential email to a recipient, or let's say you want your email to be accessed via a passcode, or you only want your confidential email to be available to a recipient for a limited time. Then this video is for you. So let's just click on compose and type in our recipient's email address. I'm just going to put confidential email as the subject here, and I'm going to write test as the message. Now to the bottom of this window you can see toggle confidential mode. You just have to click on that. So here you can see confidential mode. Recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print or download this email. Now here you can set an expiration, whether you want your email to expire in a day, a week, a month, 3 months, or even 5 years. I'm just going to select expires in 1 day. Now, if you want your recipient to access this confidential email directly, then click on the no SMS passcode option. But if you want your confidential email to be opened via an SMS passcode, then you have to select the SMS passcode option and click on save. So here you can see your confidential email, and content expires April 7, 2024, that is within a day. Now you have to click on send. After doing so, you have to type in the country code and the phone number of your recipient. So I'm just going to type in the phone number here, and once I'm done, I just have to click on send and my confidential email will get sent. Now for whatever reason, if you want to remove access to this confidential email, all you have to do is go into the sent folder. Here you can see your email. Just go into that and you can see remove access. Just click on this to remove access to this email, and then you can see that content is expired is written here. Again, if you want to just renew the access, you simply have to click on renew access, and then the recipient will have access to this email for 1 day. So that's it for today guys. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and do subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.